Today we're doing an unboxing video for the Algo 3228 FXS Doorphone. Inside the box you will find an installation and user guide, cable, screwdriver and a mounting block, a power supply, your 3228 main controller unit, the 3228 Doorphone end, a gasket kit, and the rest of the power supply. Let's have a look at the 3228 controller unit and Doorphone unit. The 3228 controller unit takes in the back your extension cable, power supply, and a micro USB input for connecting to the network for programming. There is a two-wire connection between your main 3228 unit and your Doorphone unit, which is sitting on your front gate, front door, or where have you. And that is the Algo 3228 FXS.